I'm sick and tired of plastic utensils leaching plastics and melting into our food. I am switching over all of my kitchen utensils to wood or to stainless steel. And so I was so happy when I got this set from Woodenhouse. Right out of the box, I can tell how high quality and sturdy these are. These are teak wood, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They come with a 12-piece set, so you got all kinds of different types of spatulas and serving spoons and strainers. But it also comes with a nice little spoon rest for you to rest everything on when you're cooking and you don't want to set it on your counter. And it comes with this really beautiful teak wood holder, so they would still look so good on your countertops. But if you don't want to set these up on your countertops in the holder, they come with these nice little hooks here. If you have a bar, like a rod in your kitchen, and you want to hang them all up, they all come with these little spots here where you can just hang them up and they'll still look really cute in your kitchen. As you probably already know, wood is not supposed to go in the dishwasher. So to keep these working their best, looking their best, you want to hand wash these with soapy water. You don't want to let them sit in water for too long. And every so often, you just want to get a little mineral oil and rub them down to keep them looking nice and pretty. I have a ceramic Dutch oven, which is like ceramic cast iron. And so you can't use metal utensils in there. I really don't want to use plastic in there. So these are absolutely perfect and gentle enough to use on my ceramic cast iron. Overall, this set is absolutely beautiful. And if you're looking for something sturdy, eco-friendly, and that is safe for you to use in your cooking, this is a really great set and I highly recommend them. If you're interested in getting yourself a set like these, I'm going to put the link for these down in the description below.